Hey, my name is Levi Jones, and this is a demo video for my polls website where, using a cloud database, any user can post or vote in online polls. I used supabase for this project, which is an SQL-based database. So I'll run through and give a quick demo. This is our login screen, so you can provide your email and click the send link button to get a one-time password link. So if I go into my email, I'll see that I've received this email. It says, "Thank you for signing up for polls," and then it gives you your login link. Now that I've logged in, I can see my home screen, which shows me trending polls. Trending polls, there isn't a lot of data in there, so it's difficult to see, but they are organized by how many likes a poll has. So each poll has a title, when it was created, the options that you can vote for, and a like button. And these are all stored in the database. So if I decide that I like this poll, I can click the like button and it'll increase the likes and store that in the database. And I can also participate in the polls by voting. So this one, the favorite car poll, I can say if I like Ford or Chevy better. And when I click on that, we can see the numbers of total votes that each one of these has. And if I reload this, we can see that Chevy now has one vote. If I go to my polls, it's going to look very similar because these are polls that I've created and I'm the only user in the system. So it looks the same as the home page. But I also have this create poll page, which asks for a title. So we could ask for favorite ice cream flavor. And I can add different options like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and then save that. And if I go back to the home, we can now see that favorite ice cream flavor has been created as a new poll, and I can vote in it and select one of the options. And if I reload, I can see that option being updated right there. So let's look through the back end a little bit now. This whole project is based off of 4 different tables. The main table being the poll table, which has the question, the user that created it, and when they created it. And they all have unique IDs, these primary keys on the left. Then we have the like table, which records what users have liked which polls. In this case, there's just my user ID, which is liked poll ID 8. We have poll option, which has this foreign key to the poll table, which has all the text for the options that you can vote for. And then the vote table, which records every user and which option they voted for. So the way that I am querying for a lot of this data is through these pre-made queries. So I have this main query, which is get polls. So I used a Postgres function here where you can provide the function a user ID and it will return a table selecting from a bunch of these different tables. So we join to poll option and votes, and we use aggregate functions like string ag, bool or, max, and we call other functions that I've created in here to culminate a lot of the data that's in the project into one efficient query that can return all the data that I need to display the polls. So really quick, I'll go through some of the other functions. I have a function to check if a user has liked a poll, how many likes a poll has, how many votes an option has, and the query for only getting my polls, which just has a where on it that says if the poll user ID is the same as my user ID. So yeah, that's basically how this project works. Thank you for watching.